Right, so welcome back to the Car for the UK channel, and welcome to an exciting one today. We're going to unbox my new custom made steering wheel for the Audi TT. Now, I've been waiting for this thing for 17 weeks. Like anything custom, I was quoted a lot less time than that. It just took ages and ages, but it's finally arrived. I've been waiting all morning just to get the camera fired up, and I've literally not opened the box because I want the first reaction to be on camera. So if it's rubbish, then you're gonna see. And stay tuned to the end of the video because we're gonna talk about a couple things that's upcoming on the TT and a couple other things that are upcoming. So stay tuned to the end. But let's turn the camera around because the box is sitting right in front of me now and I can't wait any longer. So let's flip it around and we'll get it unboxed. Right, so here we are, like an official unboxing area for the Car for the UK channel, otherwise known as my dining table. So I literally haven't touched this box since it arrived. This arrived. I did take my invoice out. Let's have a look. This arrived. This is it. I'll explain a few things about it. Let's get it open first, and then I'll explain a few things about the order process and all that sort of stuff in a second. Because it's a bit, I have to do something with this box. I don't want to damage it, so I'm not tearing into it like I usually do. Okay, just don't try this at home. Be careful when using knives. Right, so. Right, so. Oh, I'm excited. Right, let's get this open. I want to save this bubble wrap, which I will explain why in a second. Oh. And there we go. There it is, full custom, carbon fibre, red 12 o'clock stripe, carbon with perforated leather and red stitching to match our red accents we've already got, along obviously with our buttons that are on there anyway. What a beauty. Look at it. Let me show you. I'll do some close-up sort of B-roll shots so you can see it properly. I'll do them now, so let's cut to that. So now you've seen the beauty shots of this amazing wheel finished. I will show you some of the process shots quickly now. So Control Customs were nice enough to send me these pictures of the wheel, why it was being made, to sort of keep me updated as to what was going on, because I was getting a bit shirty, as in, oh, I've been waiting, like what's going on. Everyone that watches the channel or knows me knows I'm not the most patient of people. So yeah, these shots are what they sent me, which show the wheel for its process of being made, and obviously how it turned out now, which you can see is absolutely beautiful. It is just a custom modification on a standard Audi wheel. So you still got your Audi quality, it's still your official proper wheel. Your airbag will slot straight in, everything like that. But it's modified to look absolutely beautiful, which is what we do to these cars, isn't it? We're here to modify. Everything's got to be modified. Even if you just put a bumper sticker on, modify. It's just, it is. I can't wait to get this installed on the car. It feels massive, like here, not on the car. It feels massive. I didn't think the wheel was that big, but obviously it is. It's got the carbon on the flat bottom there, carbon on the top with the 12 o'clock, and then around the edges, as you see, is perforated leather, all custom red stitched. So, like, I've got it red and carbon to match, obviously the little red accents, the calipers, the badges that we did, the matte black badges with the red on them. So yeah, let me tell you a bit about it. I got it from Controlled Custom Steering Wheels on Instagram. I'll put their Instagram link on the screen or in the description or whatever. Now, I waited a long time for this wheel, man. I put my deposit down like the 5th of May. It came today. So, well, today is like, I'm dating the video here, but let's do it anyway. Today's the 4th of September. So, I waited a long time. But the quality of the work is amazing. I mean, we'll get it on the car and we'll worry about, and I'll tell you a bit more about the quality and whatever. With Controlled Customs, they offer, I'm going to bring it up so I can explain it properly to you without making any mistakes. They offer 3 types of ways that you can order the wheel. So if I bring it up, I might fast forward this bit a little bit, but they offer 3 different ways you can purchase. So you sort of tell them what you're looking for, what you want, send them a picture of your current steering wheel so you can see it, then they tell you sort of your options, what it's going to cost. So they tell them what it's going to cost plus VAT, and then your first option is you take the steering wheel off, send it to them, and then you pay and they send it back when it's like done. Obviously that wasn't an option for me. I use the car all the time. We still had things going on with the car, tuning, etc. Plus I use it all the time anyway. So it was an option just to have a car sitting there with no steering wheel on it. Plus, lucky I didn't, because like I said, it took 17 weeks. So had my car sitting there for 17 weeks with no steering wheel would have been like pointless. Your second option is you put your deposit down, then they will go out and purchase the same wheel you've got. So this is the option I went for. They'll purchase the same wheel that's on your car, modify it, you pay, they send it to you, so boom, you fit it. This is what I was doing precious about the box. You fit the new wheel, take off the old wheel, box it back up, send it back to them, and then you're refunded your deposit. So that's the option I went for. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fit the wheel probably in the next video, definitely in the next video. The wheel will be fitted, and then we'll box up the other wheel and get it shipped back to Controlled Custom because I want the deposit money back. And they have a third wheel, which means you may simply want us to keep your original steering wheel. So here's the solution. You order us. Oh, so the third one is you buy both steering wheels basically. They get a new one, modify it, you keep the modified one and your original one. I don't need to keep the original one. I have kept quite a few of the original parts of the car just if the next owner wants them. There will be a next owner, but yeah, I didn't need to. I mean, look at this. Why do I need to keep that original that standard Audi one when I got this beautiful carbon fibre wheel? This is going to take the interior of the car through the roof. I think the stereo brought the interior really up to modern standards, but this is just going to take it to another level. I think we're going to have to do a few other interior mods to keep up with this, i.e. like the gear shifter and gator and the handbrake and gator we will have to do, because this is just going to put the rest of the interior to shame now. So like I said at the start of the video, the exciting things coming up on the channel. I've just bought yesterday a new project car that is in absolute bits. So it's going to take a lot of work. God knows if we're going to be able to do it. God knows if it's going to be too much work. I'm going to try and do everything myself. So that's going to be a journey. Not going to tell you what car it is yet. I can tell you I paid £200 for it. But it's a lot of car for £200. That's what I'm going to say. So that's going to be in a very soon upcoming video. I know the videos ain't been as frequent as they was, but I've been working hard behind the scenes to get this project car going, to make the money to buy more parts for the TT, because now all the parts I need to get are very expensive. Obviously waiting on parts to arrive, i.e. the wheels here now. I've got the indicators, the sweeping indicators to change on the wing mirrors. That's a video that's coming up. I'm literally shooting that tomorrow. I'll be installing the wheel ASAP. So videos are going to be coming thick and fast. The new project car will be revealed and you will see the issues with this car. So come on that journey with me. It's going to be a learning process for us all. Literally no less than what I'm doing. So But it's going to be fun, innit? That's the point of this. It's just to have some fun. It's just give me something to do on the weekends, and hopefully help you lot with little fixes and tricks and tips here and there. So yeah, so like I said, today was a quick one just to show you this beauty. The next video will be this installed. I will install this ASAP, i.e. today or tomorrow. Got to try and work out how to do it, what tools I'm gonna need, but we'll go on that journey together like always. So if you're interested or you need to know how to take your wheel off, just stick with me and we'll try and work it out. Yeah, like I said, thanks to everyone that's liked, shared, subscribed. Please, if you are not subscribed but you're watching the videos, you're enjoying the videos, please subscribe. It helps me out so much. Let's keep the subscribers growing. Views are amazing, but just need to keep them subscribers growing. So please, please, please subscribe. Be nice in the comments. Get a little bit of hate lately, but just try and keep it nice. Try and keep it pleasant. You know what I mean? We're all putting ourselves out here, so just keep it cool. But yeah, hopefully you like the wheel. Get in the comments. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you would different. The option for the sides, I could have had Alcantara. But my friend's got a BMW 140i, and his whole wheel was Alcantara, and it's just worn so terribly. Unless you're wearing gloves to drive all the time, it's a nightmare, and I'm not. So the leather should last longer, and obviously the carbon is just beautiful. The workmanship on the wheel, I'm just looking at the joins where the carbon leather is. It is amazing. It's really, really, really well done. It is really well done. Really good workmanship. So we'll see how it holds up, we'll see how it lasts. Like I said, it's a long term, so I use the car all the time, so you'll know, innit? But yeah, we'll get this on the car, come back for the next video. This will be installed, we'll take the car for a blast, see if the wheel comes flying off while we're driving. And yeah, stay tuned for exciting things to come, man. Project and that, I'm back, refocused, ready to go, so hopefully you'll come on a journey with me. But I'll catch you on the next one.